We worked out the equation of a streamline. Then now we need to, the second part of the question, same question is that we need to calculate the equation of the path line for the same question that has been given to us. We recall that u is dx by dt, v is dy by dt. Substituting the value of u, we have these values, we have already calculated them, and we separate them by separation of variables, x on the right side, t on the left hand side. We obtain this. And then when we obtain them, integrate. When we integrate them, the integral for 1 is of t, the integral for t will be t square by 2, and simple things. And the integral of 1 by x is log of x to the base e, of course, and plus some arbitrary constant we denote it by c1. And similarly, the integration for this part. These are simple integration. I don't have to talk much about it. And then the initial condition that is given in the question are this that we need to remember. When we substitute them to find the value of c, we obtain that c1 is equal to 0, c2 is equal to minus log y. When we substitute the values of c1 and c2 in the function as given, we obtain these equations. Substituting equation or subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, from these two, we obtain this value. We have only t on the left hand side, and from the y component and x, we obtain these two functions. And from equation 1 and 3, we try to integrate them, and we obtain that log of y by 2 minus log of x, and all these are equal to log of x. And similarly, so this is simple integration, and which reduces the equations to this form. This equation will represent the equation of the path line. So if we keep giving arbitrary values to x and calculate the corresponding value of y from there, we will obtain the path line that represent the question as given.